State Campus Weather Service here with your CCR forecast. Our current cameras pointed out at Beaver Stadium. We can see some patchy overcast clouds, some of the sun peeking through at some of these points. Our current temperature is sitting at 25 degrees. However, due to those west winds at 20 miles per hour, our temperature is feeling like 11 degrees. It's a very chilly start to our day. We are still currently under a high wind warning, so until 1 p.m. So those winds and those gusts will be very high throughout most of the early afternoon hours. Our temperatures across the central region pretty much staying below freezing throughout most of it. Harrisburg would be the one exception. They're currently sitting at 34 degrees. However, we can see in Johnstown they're sitting at 20 and Clearfield at 23 degrees. Looking out towards the rest of the Commonwealth, that seems to be the story of staying below the freezing point. Especially in the western half, we can see Pittsburgh at 22 and Franklin and Bradford both at 19. And in the southeastern portion of the state, like I mentioned, Harrisburg at 34, Allentown at 36, and Philadelphia at 37. Now our future radar, or current radar and satellite, we can see a couple of flurries moving through the area. These will be in our area until around noon today, clearing out and pretty much staying in the upper half of the state. And our futurecast, we can see pretty dry throughout the next couple of days, especially during those commute hours. We can see tonight, or afternoon commute, pretty clear throughout most of the rest of the state. Maybe some clouds increasing throughout most of the western portion of the state, and that will be the case on Tuesday in the morning commute times. Around 9 a.m. we can see clouds pretty much spanning all the way from Pittsburgh east into State College and even maybe reaching some parts of Harrisburg. And that will continue to be some of the cloudier skies on Tuesday. Again, western moving towards the east for our afternoon commute on Tuesday night. Now our next really chance of precipitation will come on Wednesday in the overnight hours. We can see this band coming diagonally all the way from Pittsburgh pretty much towards Williamsport, but we in State College may get a couple of flurries in the overnight hours on Wednesday, giving way to mostly cloudy skies throughout the rest of the day, and especially during that morning commute time hours on Wednesday. Now your forecast for today, like I mentioned, we are under a high wind warning, so it'll be very windy with those winds westerly 15 to 30 miles per hour and those gusts reaching up to 55 miles per hour. So even though we are reaching 32, that will not feel like 32, so make sure you are bundling up, staying warm if you are walking in between classes or heading out or leaving work. And for tonight, those winds, though we are not under a wind warning anymore tonight, they still will be pretty high, westerly 15 to 25 miles per hour, mostly clear skies, and our low reaching 18 degrees, so pretty chilly night tonight. And for tomorrow, we can see a high of 31 degrees, mostly sunny skies, and those winds back to normal, northwesterly 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now looking at our 7-day forecast, we can see pretty much sticking in the lower 30s from today all the way out through Wednesday, and that next chance of precip will be on Wednesday with those flurries like I had mentioned. Moving back into Thursday and stretching all the way to Saturday, we can see temperatures in the upper 30s and then also reaching to the mid 40s on Saturday. However, both Friday and Saturday there is a chance of both rain and snow before dropping in temperatures on Sunday to 29 degrees and possible chance of snow showers also on Sunday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Alex Iverson. Have a great day.